Welcome back to the channel, guys. So what have I done since yesterday? Right, well, I did the valve clearances on this side about 10 minutes ago, so they're okay now, and they were out as well. So I don't know what I was doing, but it was perfect when I did it on the stand, so can't quite know what's going on there. And also when I checked it again this morning, when I did it yesterday when they were hot, because I set it when it was hot to standard cold clearances, and for some weird reason it was still out. So I did it again, and now I've done it a very, very generous 0.35 and 0.40. So they are now a very, very light drag on all of them, opposed to just being, you can get a tight drag or a light drag on them. So this one was very, very generous, and now I did a compression check, and now we're up to where it should be when it's cold. So I was getting about 125, 130, and that's all across the board as well. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to take the lower pulley off and have a look, see if there's any iron filings and see if there's anything grinding up at the front. But obviously I'm going to put the cam box back on with the rubbish cork gaskets that are available. Apparently there's some other ones available, but they're really expensive and I'm not going to buy them yet anyway. Anyway, I'm going to crack on with that, and I'll let you know how it goes, and we can go from there. Cheers.